Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today guys, mag-practice naman tayo ng pag-drive sa highway. Ay, hindi pa nasubukan ko guys pag-drive ng highway, so mag-testing tayo later guys. So, tara, samahan ninyo ako sa pag-drive sa highway first time guys. Sige, tara na guys. Here's RJ.
Naka.
Ang aking anak.
Oops.
Here is my anak. Go, Jay. Lamig sa labas, oh. Grabe ang snow. Ang lamig. Yan. Okay, let's go now to drive in the highway.
Do not knock it off. You have to drive slowly
Yep.
so you don't knock off the snow.
So cool. Funny, RJ, why you put that there?
See what happens to it, and it'll fall off.
See, my...
Maybe it'll fall off when you just start the car and go like.
Okay. Oops. Fall down. You see me?
You see
on?
me?
Yep. Where's my phone? Put this to my... Here. Put your belt, RJ. With your seat
Yep.
belt.
Ready? Go ride.
Snow ride.
Snowball.
Have no snow in the road.
You put Snowball in the hood.
Why?
Talking about me.
Oh. Fix this. Yes, I cannot. Okay. Let's go, RJ.
Where's the emergency breakers? So we know. I
Yep.
didn't see that was a button.
Yes, so dark. Okay, we go now.
Careful.
Ah, be careful of the
Don't
snowball.
hit the brakes.
The snowball's still there. Amazing, the snowball's still there.
Okay, stop.
The snowball. It's not gonna.
Let's go.
I don't think it's gonna go. It's definitely not gonna
Where we go,
Survive.
honey?
Make a right and
Survive.
a left. Let's go around the block. Up
Okay.
to
top.
the road. Let's go.
Okay, close now.
How is that snowball surviving? That snowball. I'm a
Unable to
snowball.
import phone. Press.
Look how good that snowball has.
I need to stop honey in the other side. Because my seat is no good. I'm not comfortable.
Look
Okay.
at the snowball.
I
It's
stop
still.
in-
Red light pole.
Okay.
Are you getting out?
No,
Oh,
this is uncomfortable.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. And also snowball's ready, right? Let's see the snowball
Head
now.
check. Make a
just
left up there.
I'm just gonna stare at the snow.
Let's see a left flick. It's good to go.
That snowball's still moving.
Yeah, it's gonna go now.
Alright.
We hit a bump.
That thing's not gonna go down. That thing's gonna stay
Make a
up there
left.
forever. Every single day I'm gonna do this now. The snowball.
They're in the right.
The snowball in the hood.
Sun's gonna be in your eyes.
Good.
Good.
Not good for
Good
the
that I
snowball.
did not
Snowball's gonna melt. It's not gonna fall off. It's gonna melt, right? ticket. Remember this?
Make it
To the
left.
in.
Remember this?
Left.
The blue Adonio's ticket that's don't know how to fold up anymore.
Head check.
Yep.
Okay.
It's still alive.
You put the snow
Isn't that
there.
amazing, Daddy?
Mm-hmm. Make a left. Let's go out on the highway. Make a left. You want to go to the all-white stop sign? Make a right.
Oh, left.
I changed my mind. Right.
God.
You gotta watch out for the sun.
Don't get the snowball in the sun.
It's
The
sliding.
snow. Oh no. Must make sure the snowball now never melts.
It's good to go. Get in the left lane.
There.
Go.
You probably got to think, why is there a snowball in the hood? Let's try. Ah, the snowball's still alive.
Yeah, bring it up to 40.
Oh yeah, the snowball is very happy. Oh no, it's gonna swim
Slow
off.
down, slow down. Speed limit. The 40's the maximum going here.
To my house. Snowball is gonna swim.
Drift like that. Stay in the lane.
This snowball is gonna fall. I know. It is gonna fall. But how long will it last? We're on our trip to a highway.
Go
Go to
highway.
it. Go to it.
Sergeant.
No, I'm fine. I like air though.
Make past mommy.
The snowball is still here. The snowball is still here.
Watch out for some walkers. Release the gas. Just watch.
Slowly na was up car.
How is that snowball still there? Tell me, Daddy.
I don't know.
See, it's still there, RJ.
It's not the Is the snowball in the hood gonna be there when we're on the freeway too?
Yeah.
Wait, you stick that there?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
gonna
let's
stick
look in the
there.
back. All right,
No.
go straight. Pull up.
Next time I'm gonna put more up so it like stays
Stop.
longer. But maybe this thing's a left. Wow, the
Slow down.
snowball. I will call him the super snowball. He has passed the
Get ready to get on the fast lane. And stay in your lane when I tell you to.
Wow.
Okay, make a right. Follow this lane.
Oh, this.
Okay, go.
Yeah.
Okay, bring it up to 60.
Go fast.
Left blinker, please. Okay, bring it up to 60, will you?
Go faster.
My God, so fast.
Can you get in the right lane? You're getting off it. Stay in this lane.
Turn off the blinker.
Di 50 honey. So pa sa 60.
That's 6.
We're getting off here and make it right. Slow down. Just leave the blinker on the whole time. Okay, get in the right.
Snowball's now.
The right to the yellow sign.
The
Look.
snowball's still
Look to the
there.
yield sign. Now we got the light. So. Is anyone coming?
Yeah, it's okay.
Go.
You're going back home now?
We're going to the store now.
Go back home. Yay! We made it.
Slow down. Just stay in your lane. We'll go past the light and then go down to the entrance we normally go. Okay, stay in this lane. Go down to the entrance we normally go in. Fizz. Where's your bike around? Don't drift. Okay, turn in here. Go straight.
Grocery.
Slow down. Let's see if you can park.
We
over
go to
there,
the sidewalk.
next to the white.
Yeah.
One over from the white. Aim it for those two. That's
Okay.
it.
The snowball has completed the mission.
Yeah.
It's the best
Complete.
snowball that ever lived.
You have your mask, RJ? Okay, guys, we go back to highway, guys.
Wait, I'm not seatbelted. I'm
We
not
back to the highway again
Back to the hospital bridge.
because we done grocery. Yeah.
Go out around the back entrance. 2:57, 3 o'clock.
Yep. I always must.
You're gonna have to back out.
Give me
slowly.
alcohol.
You seatbelted in?
Yep, you RJ. Set belt. RJ.
Look what I made.
Okay, we go now.
There you go. You back up
Time
slowly.
to take
Okay,
a
on this side.
5-hour video.
Oh, back up.
Welcome to RJ
Okay,
Vlog.
stop. Drive.
As you can see, Mommy is now driving to the highway. Back, we're now going behind the building. As you can see, Mommy is driving, and the snowball is still there. Who cares about the snowball? I'm not gonna put this here and see. Yeah, a nice, not sunset you can see. Person. Got a person over there.
Go past him.
He just did something. Look at the snow, all that snow by there.
Middle lane.
And there's the mountain.
See it? Left. Clear on the right.
That's it for the first one. See you later. Welcome back to the next RJ vlog. Next up,
Vlogging, you know.
we're on the road where it's very fast. And cars go very fast. And that you can't see because it's blocked by all these trees.
Turn your lights
The
on.
snowball is still there. Getting louder and louder. It's 40 seconds of the video. Look at that sunset you can see. And cars go like light speed. You got the house. It's very bumpy because
Make a
Bobby's
right
going
at the
very
bridge.
fast. They think they can save the war, but they're burning smoke. What's wrong with them? Ah, I hit myself.
So fast.
Pull up to the crosswalk. Okay, make a right.
We're going on the
Stay in this
turn.
lane.
We're going to the bridge. And we're going
Okay.
to go past. We're now going up the bridge. Red light is over there because we're driving. And that is it of the second part. See you at the third part. Welcome to the third part. Now
Follow the
that we're
green
going
light
to the
on the
highway,
right.
gotta shut this window. Now it's a little darker, but cars you can
Lot of
still
cars out
see,
there.
right?
Okay.
Go onto the highway.
Once we get on the entrance, we're gonna put the left on. Slow down, these cars have the right of way. Head check. Go to the flag and make a left.
Welcome to the next part. I don't know what part this is, but let's see. We're back with the open window, and that's the OnThe clinic that's gonna go by the Smiths. It's very giant and very giant, and there comes a car.
Slow down, please.
And that's a preschool over here.
There's the street
Very
sign. Make a left.
super- Ah. Well, chaos right now. Chaos. Okay, we also got that. Today's mystery bag.
Someone
What
would go
did
left
I
on the
get?
bridge. Past the
Let's see.
hospital. Go up on the bridge. Make
I
a left
got-
on the street. The voices are completely gone.
This golden Porsche. This it's like this Hot Wheel. It's signed by people and it's a super.
Where are we going? Go to the bridge.
Back
We
here.
go to the bridge. We're gonna go make a right up here.
What is happening?
Go
Chaos
past
is
the
happening.
hospital, make a
Dun,
right.
dun, dun. Gonna take a little break here. See you later. Why are we going to McDonald's?
burgers we need for you.
But fries.
You want fries?
Yeah.
Follow the yellow line. Go.
It's a lucky day, right?
Yep. We gotta park. This mommy wants to order. Walk around the block. People are getting pizza Sunday night. Pizza Sunday night. Okay. Medium coffee with 3 creams.
Any sugar?
No sugar, just 3 creams.
Okay.
A blueberry muffin.
Okay.
And a large fry.
3 ones, yeah.
Hi, see, coffee with 3 cream, Happy Meal, 8 hamburgers, blueberry muffin, and a large fry.
Right, but the Happy Meal is toy only.
Oh yeah, sorry, this is a Happy Meal toy.
This is the last one of the Titans. We're not doing it anymore.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye for now, guys.